Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Vodafone eSIM step by step in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on this page, which is myvi.in. So when you are here, you are going to see all of the steps in order to basically request the eSIM. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply download and install the VI application on your device. Now here you just have to log in into your VI application, then navigate to the help section and select the option of activate eSIM. On the website itself, you can just simply come here, select the option of the chat, and here you can ask it to basically activate the eSIM. Now this way, what you're gonna do is you are going to initiate the eSIM request. Now after doing so, simply select the same device or another device, then increase another device, select the Android and iOS device. Afterwards, you need to locate your EID from the settings and you just have to put these details. Then you need to enter the OTP which will be received to proceed with the request, and then you just have to basically share the confirmation SMS on this particular number, which is 199, and then you will be able to see all of the information with the help of which you will be able to download the eSIM profile. So you can go through each and every steps that are mentioned over here to basically smoothly activate and install your VI eSIM. You can also go through this particular YouTube video for better understanding. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.